Good. So, people, can I get a confirmation in the chat box? Last week we finished the chapter number 5, right? We finished the unit 5, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yes, good. So, today we are going to get into the new chapter, which is the not-for-profit organizations. So, what is this not-for-profit organizations? You know, normally when you are running a business or organization, we can't say businesses are there, organizations are there only for the profit seeking. There are certain businesses, organizations where they will run. The main objective is not profit seeking. Maybe like helping the society, community. So let's take an example. I'm telling. We'll assume maybe a mosque or maybe a church. Okay. So these organizations, people, they will get a lot of money. Okay. So they have a responsibility of showing the accounts to the public, because money related things, no, people can tell different things. These people are stealing money, that and this. These people are misusing money. These people are using the money for their personal use and all. Therefore, what they will do, they will prepare accounts and they will show it to the public. Here, see, this is the accounts. This is how we got money. This is how we spent it. This is our extra that we generated for the period. This is the less amount for the period. Likewise, they will show. So let's take another example, like maybe associations. Now in your area, sometimes there can be a sport association. What are they doing is their objective is not to make profits or kind of a thing by running the association. They want to improve the sport in the area. So when they are running that organization, they will have a lot of expenses. No, they have to maintain the ground. They have to buy sports equipments for people to come and play. So there are certain expenses. Then they will get income sometimes. How they will get money? Maybe if you want to join the sports club, they will say, okay, there is a membership fee of 1,000 rupees every month. Then that is the money that they are getting. So don't ever think when we say a business, when we say an organization, it is there only for the profit seeking purpose. No. There are organizations for not for profit also. So simply today what are we going to study is how to do accounting. How to do accounting for these not-for-profit organizations. Simple as that. So for your O-level, mainly we will be focusing on two things. One is cash, receipt, and payment account. So this is same as the cash account in the normal businesses. Normal profit-seeking businesses, same as the cash account. Whatever the cash inflows will be debit. Whatever the cash outflows going out will be credit. Here also same, cash receipt and payment account. Instead of using the name cash book, we will be using the name cash receipt and payment account. And here the next one that we will be focusing on the income statement. Income statement. So for your O-level, these are the main two elements that we are going to focus. So without any further discussions, we'll directly jump to the questions, people. We'll directly jump to the questions. Turn to the question number 1, everyone. So whatever thing that I explain right now, people, it is over here. So you can just go through and get that understanding. So let's jump to the question number 1. Here, what are they asking us to do? They are asking us to prepare the cash receipt and payment account. Cash receipt and payment account. So what did I tell you? Cash receipt and payment account. It is same as the cash book. Whatever the cash receipt should be there in the debit side. Whatever the cash payments should be there in the credit side. So we'll get the understanding now. Here they have given all the receipts now. So these are cash receipts. These are cash payments. So let's prepare the account, people. We'll do it together. Cash receipt and payment account. Cash receipt and payment account. So let's take one by one, people. So first you have a summary of cash receipt and payment of the Commerce Society Doramadalawa Mahavidyalaya is given. Subscription receipt. So what is this subscription, people? As I told you, when you are in a society or in association, they will charge a membership fee kind of a thing. At a society you have to pay 100 rupees every month, 200 rupees every month. Sometime in the schools also it's there. In schools also it's there. Clubs and societies. Commerce society की आई, art society की आई, science society की आई. Like these societies are there. So they will charge a small amount from the members because they want to run the society. No? So that is what here they have given from the members, the amount that they received, subscription received, 6,200. What is the date? They have not given any date. Subscription, 6,200. Then next you have proceed from sales of magazines. In certain societies, they will print magazines. Now let's assume in commerce societies, what they will do, they will print a magazine. Maybe the items connected with commerce. What are the new trends in the world, in the business world? So they will print a magazine and they will sell it. This is the money. Proceed means cash receipts. Cash receipt. Proceeds means cash receipts from the sale of magazines. Proceeds means cash receipts from the sale of magazine. Sale of magazine. How much is that? 4,100. 4,100. Next one. Donation received. So we will give donations, like certain good people are there, good-hearted people are there. What they will do, they will give donations. They will give donations. So donation. How much is that? 2,300. Next one. Advertisements. You know, no, when you are doing a society, when you are doing a commerce day, you will go and ask different shops advertisement at Gannapulu. Likewise, we'll ask, can we take an advertisement? The money that you got from the advertisements. Advertisements. How much is that? 14,400. So we are done with all the cash receipts. Now let's record the cash payments. To print now, to sell the magazines, you have to print it, no? There is a printing charge, no? Printing of magazines, 2,800. Printing of magazine, 2,800. Stationery. Stationery, 800. Transport expenses, 200. Transport, 200. Then you have donation paid. You also have given some donations. This is donation received for us. Received. Maybe from wealthy people, they might have given you some donations. Now, what is this donation paid is like sometimes you might have given a small amount for a beggar in front of the school. In front of the school, there is a beggar. He's having a very difficult time. So your society decided to give a 400 rupees to him. That is donation paid. Donation paid. So here I'll mark it as donation received. 400. Now you balance and find out the end of the period cash balance. How much is there? End of the period cash balance. BCD, PBF. So take the total here 200, 300, 600, 1000, 0, 0, 0. 10,000, 11,000, 13,000, 27,000. Am I correct, people, with my numbers? Am I correct with my numbers? Can you confirm it, please? 27,000, is it correct? 27,000, is it correct? Check it, people. 6,200. Good. So 27,000 minus here 3,000, 3,800, 4,200. 4,200 means 2,800. 22,800 BCD. 22,800. Let me check it. 27,000 minus 2,800 minus 800 minus 200 minus 400. Yes, 22,800. That's it, people. So receipt and payment account, very simple. Simply you have to record whatever the cash receipts and cash payments. Same as the cash book. Same as the cash book. No difference. Need a confirmation with the letter D. Good. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. So before doing it, people will understand what are the cash receipts and payments. So this is a cash receipt. This is a cash payment. Donation from government, cash receipt. Ceremony expenses, cash payment. Payment for fruit plants, cash payment. Fertilizers, cash payment. Interest income, cash receipt. Interest for bank loan, cash receipt. Bank loan, no. That means cash payment. You will pay interest, no. For the loans, you will pay interest. So this is interest for the deposit that you have made. Purchase of equipment, cash payment. Payment of salaries, cash payment. Electricity, cash payment. Advertising people, they have not given, so we'll assume this one as cash payment කියලා. So we'll make it advertising expenses. If not, we don't know. No. Transportation expense, cash payment. They're asking us to prepare the cash receipt and payment account. Cash receipt and payment account. So let me circle the receipt ones. Receipt, 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 remaining everything payments. So let's prepare. Cash receipt and payment account. So 1st January 20XX, balance BF. How much is that? 12,300. Then we'll record all the cash receipts. Subscription received 27,000. Received 27,000. Then donation from government 150,000. Government donation 150,000. Interest income 15,000. Done. Now let's move to the cash payments. Rent 12,000. Then you have ceremony expenses for 11,400. Then next you have payment to fruit plants 4,200. Fertilizers 3,500. Interest, bank loan interest 1,200. Purchase of equipment 12,000. Equipment 12,000. Then salaries 10,000. Salaries 10,000. Electricity 400. Electricity 400. Advertising 6,200. Transportation 1,700. Yes, then we are done with everything. So now let's balance the accounts. So what's the total of these people? 300, 9, 14, 1, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 214, 300. Before moving people for the calculation of balance CD, can you all tell me 214, 300, is it correct? 214, 300, is it correct? 12,300 plus 27,000 plus 150,000 plus 15,000. 12,300, 27,000, 150,000, 15,000. So 204, 300. 204, 300. So if my numbers are wrong, you have to tell me. So 204, 300 minus 12,000 minus 11,400 minus 4,200, 3,500, 1,200, 12,000, 10,000, 400, 6,200, 1,700, 141,700. Yes. Hope these numbers correct. Yes. Perfect. So people who didn't complete, quickly finish it. I'll give you 1 minute. I'll give you 1 minute. Good. Now let's move to the next question. Question 3. Given below is the cash receipt and payment account prepared by the treasurer of Shakti Sports Club. After balancing the cash receipt and payment account, a credit balance 78,300 existed in the account. A physical cash 26,900. Big problem, no? When you accountant, that means your treasurer. Club එකේ treasurer accounts හදලා ඉවරනාට පස්සේ once he is done with the accounts, he is telling, treasurer is telling there is a balance of 78,300. But with you have physical cash 26,900. Mismatch, no? There is a mismatch. Ideally, accounts and the physical cash should be the same, no? If the accounts are correct. Then probably what might have happened, your accountant is dumb. Bugger might have done some mistakes. Or treasurer. Bugger might have done some mistakes. That's why, as per the receipt and payment account balance and the cash that you have physically is not same. Not same, big problem. So let's see the mistakes this fellow has done. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So here we'll take one by one, people. Subscription fee, cash inflow. So this is cash receipt. That is correct, no? Cash receipt. Purchase of sports equipment, cash payment, no? This is cash payment. Balance BF, it should be there in the debit side, no? This should be there in the debit side. Salaries and wages, cash payment. Donation received, cash received. Sales of flags, cash received. Refreshments, expenses, cash payment. Stationaries, cash payment. Purchase of equipments, cash payment. Printing charges of the flag, cash payment. Miscellaneous expenses, cash payment. Maintenance of the ground, cash payment. Payment for umpires, umpire fee, cash payment. So now we'll prepare the correct cash receipt and payment account. Now we'll prepare the correct cash receipt and payment account. So let me circle the debit side values. This should be a cash receipt. This should be there in the debit side. Cash receipt, cash receipt. So we'll write all these things properly now. Shakti Sports Club, no? Question 3. Shakti Sports Club, cash receipt and payment account for the or corrected or revised. Revised. We are revising. Revised cash receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st December 20XX. So we'll write the items which should come to the debit side, people. Let's take one by one. Balance BF. 7,400. Done. මේ ගොන් හරක ගිහිල්ලා ඒක ක්‍රෙඩිට් පැත්තේ ලියලා. Bugger has written it in the credit side. Then cash received, donation received 24,300. Donation received 24,300. Then sales of flags 8,200. Sales of flag 8,200. That is also done. So all the cash receipts are done, people. Now we'll write the cash payments. Our subscription fees, they are 190,000. Subscription fees 190,000. Done. Now we'll write the cash payments. Purchase of sports equipment 40,000. Sports equipment 40,000. Salaries and wages 99,000. And wages 99,000. Then refreshment 5,400. Refreshment 5,400. Stationery 7,500. Stationery 7,500. Equipments 4,800. Equipments 4,800. Flags printing 5,600. Flags printing 5,600. Miscellaneous expenses miscellaneous expenses 15,000. Maintenance of ground maintenance 8,200. Ground maintenance 8,200. Umpire fee 17,500. 17,500. Now we'll find the balance, people. Now we'll find the balance. So what's the corrected balance? 7,400 plus 24,300 plus 8,200 plus 190,000. 229,900. 229,900. Now we'll find the balance CD. කොච්චර එනවද කියලා බලමු. Let's see. 40,000, 99,000, 5,400, 7,500, 4,800, 5,600, 15,000, 8,200, 17,500, 26,900. Is that number correct? 26,900. Check and confirm, people. You see, yeah. Now our account is balancing with the cash balance, but that means our one is 100% correct. First, what you should do is kick your treasurer out, because bugger doesn't know how to maintain accounts properly. So once you make the accounts, it's nicely balancing. As per your account balance is 26,900. Cash also you have 26,900. Both are nicely balanced. So I'll give you like maybe 2 minutes. Quickly finish it, people. Quickly finish it. So next one. Now let's move to the question 4, people. Let's move to the question 4. Pubudu Children's Community has 450 members. The subscription fee is 100 rupees. A summary of cash transactions relevant to the January is given below. Purchase of stationery, expenses for the internet, sales of magazine, postal expenses, transport cost, printing expenses, receipt of the donation. Following additional information is also available. Income of 200 for the magazine sales is yet to be received. 15 members have not paid their membership fee for the month of January 2015. Using the information, prepare cash receipt and payment account for the month of January of Pubudu Children, this particular organization. So people, here they have given some information. Cash transactions relevant for the month. Cash transactions relevant for the month. And what they are telling, 15 members have not paid the membership fee for the month of January 2015. From each member, we are charging how much? 100. There are 450 members. There are 450 members. Now people, here we are going to prepare the cash receipt and payment account. So this is the question number 4. Question 4. Cash receipt and payment account. So here for this question, people, this part A is not relevant. Just cut it off. This is not relevant. Just cut it off, people. No need. Let's do only the part B. So we'll write the easy ones. Purchase of stationery, cash payment. Cash payment. Pay. pay. Sales of magazine, receipt. Receipt. Postal expenses, pay. 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 Receipt. Receipt of donations. So let's prepare it, people. Stationery. Stationery, 2,400. Internet, 70. Internet, 70. Next one. Postal, 60. Postal, 60. Transport, 200. Transport, 200. Printing, 700. Printing, 700. Then people, we have magazine sales, 6,400. Magazine sales, 6,400. Just cut off the part A, people. Don't keep it. We will do that particular kind of adjustments later. Make couple of that. No need. Receipt of donation, 1,000. Donation receipt, 1,000. Now we are going to learn the important part, people, about this membership fee. About this membership fee. Okay. So 450 members are there. 450 members are there. Out of which, people, what they are telling is, out of which 15 members not yet paid. Then paid, how many members are there? Not yet paid, how many members are there? Not yet paid, 15 members are there. Then you tell me, people, out of 450, 15 has not yet paid. 15 members have not yet paid. 15ක් තාම ගෙවලා නැහැ. සල්ලි දීලා නැහැ. We have not received the money yet from 15. From how many members we received the money? Tell me, people. We received only from 435 members. So we received money only from 435 members. So each member 100 rupees means from 435 members, how much we might have received lamai? Each member 100 rupees. So 43500. How much is that? 43,500. 43,500. So subscription fee received, subscription receipt, only 43,500. So you write down this working and balance the accounts below. Write down the working. This working is important. So what's the total? 6,400 plus 1,000 plus 43,500. 50,900. 50,900. balance CD, balance BF. $47,470. Am I correct? 47,470. Am I correct, people? 47,470. වැරදිද? 47,470, no? Good. So this working is very important, no? This working is very, very important. I'll give you 1 minute. Quickly finish it, people. Quickly finish. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Question 5. Oh, it's a big one. Below given are receipt and payment for the first 3 months of year 20XX recorded by the Treasury of Samagi Youth Club. Prepare the cash receipt and payment account using the information below. When you are starting cash in hand 12,400. So let's record it, people. Let's record it. I'll write receipt R, payment P. Yeah? Receipt R, payment P. Payment, payment, receipt, payment, donation receipt, payment, subscription fee receipt, receipt, payment, receipt, payment, receipt, receipt, payment, payment, receipt, payment, payment, receipt, payment, 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 receipt, payment. So prepare a big account, people, a big one. තඩි එකක් ගහගන්න cash receipt and payment account. $12,400. So I'll record all the receipts first. You can do any way that you want. I'll record all the receipts first. So here subscription 15,800. Then donation 4,000. Subscription 9,600. Subscription 17,200. 17,200. Now let's move to the March. 10, 20. Okay. Income from Carnival. Income from Carnival. 20,000. Donation 300. Donation 15,000. Then here we have a subscription fee 8,000. 8,000. Now we have to record the cash payments. There are a lot. Okay. It's now irritating for me. Here also there is a subscription fee. July 7th. First 7/1. Subscription 3,200. 3,200. So let's see whether all the receipts are done. Yes, all the receipts are done. Check the payments as per the date code and write it, people. නිකන් අර මොංගල් විදියට ගාන දීලා තියෙන්නේ. Check the payment date and record it properly. So it's going like this. Left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, right side. That's how you have to check. Salaries 10,200. Electricity 1,400. Rates and taxes 300. Match referee fee 1,500. Transportation 1200. 1200. Salary admin 10,200. Bait 10 to. Salary admin 10,200. Stationery 400. Stationery 400. Then 15 to electricity 1,200. Electricity 1,200. Then 24 to transportation 5,000. Five thousand. 28 to anniversary expense 11,400. 11,400. Stationery 300. 33. Stationery 300. Then paper 73,600. Carnival expense 94,200. 10,300. Carnival expense 94,200. 94,200. Rates and taxes 27,500. 13,300. Electricity 42,200. 16,300. Electricity 42,200. Then electricity 1,300. 21,300. Electricity 1,300. Match refree 1,500. 24,300. Match refree 1,500. Papers 25,300. Carnival expense 1,800. 29,300. $1,800. Final finish 33 water bill. 33 water bill. So in your exam you won't get this kind of question, people. මේ වගේ ගොම් ප්‍රශ්න එන්නේ නැහැ. 1300. That's it. So we ticked everything. Shall we balance it? So 12,400 plus 3,200 plus 7,300 plus 15,800 plus 4,000 plus 9,600 plus 17,200 plus 20,000 plus 300 plus 15,000 plus 8,000. 112,800. 112,800. So 112,800. Let's take the total here. 10,200 plus 1,400 plus 300 plus 1,500 plus 1,200 plus 10,200 plus 400 plus 1,200 plus 5,000 plus 11,400 plus 300 plus 600 plus 94,200 plus 27,500 plus 42,200 plus 1,300 plus 1,500 plus 1,200 plus 1,800 plus 1,300. 214700. So this is higher. Two 14700. Then balance CD. Balance BF. 214,700 minus 112,800. 101,900. ගොම් ප්‍රශ්නයක්. If you all are done, people, give me a confirmation with a letter D. Okay. So people, as I told you, from the not-for-profit organization chapter, I told there are two parts. No? We are done with the first one, which is the cash receipt and payment is done. Now we have to do the income statement. I am not going to start it now, people, because if I start it now, I will not be able to finish it. So you will not get a better learning. You will not get. So I am going to end the class. We'll do the income statement next week. But people, before joining the next week's class, make sure to go through what we studied today. Okay. That's it. Tata, bye. No problem. Bye bye, people. Welcome.